hometown thing. It's a hometown thing. It's a hometown thing. Take a trip down memory lane. We don't give a fuck about what you say. Holding it down for the hometown, making our names.
Look, it took a moment to kill it, but now we're on a mission. Plan straightforward, break down all the competition. Terms and conditions, fuck that, who reads those? Deacon through traffic and Duncan, call me D-Rose. Bro, where your defense at? Understand, hey, you can prevent that. Hey, look, I love to stay in chat, but I guess I gotta do like Dame and dash out. Looking heat score, frontin' with your cash out. Trying to make jokes while you're messing with a class clown. Flows broken, your rhyme straight garbage. Oh look, it's Wednesday, it's time to take the trash out. Fams calling though they know it's long distance. Girls tripping saying I'm the dude they always listen. They're itching for a gentleman, they're tripping off adrenaline. Like look at me now, I'm the modern day Maryland. In that case, TJ, that Wilder boy. Quench your thirst, you should get yourself a water boy. And sit back, just enjoy the ride. Stay tuned, you're now listening to Gentleman's Vibe.
Hey, it's a hometown thing. Take a trip down memory lane. We don't give a fuck about what you say. Holding it down for the hometown, making our way. Hey, it's a hometown thing. Take a trip down memory lane. We don't give a fuck about what you say. Holding it down for the hometown, making our names. It's a hometown thing. Hey, 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 hey. It's a hometown thing. Hey, yeah, hey.
Homegrown talents, no soft ballads, hitting new scales, call it new balance. Boy, you done goof, toss your dream like a salad. While we work on ours all night like we on Fallon. 2 kids, 1 goal, 1 vision, 2 roles. 2 played a part of this play with full soul. Homie, you ain't coming close to a level. Life is like a movie, hate to break it to you, but your movie has plot holes. Cruising like Tom, Mission Impossible's possible in every song we hop on. Bonding like James, or you double O lanes. Gold teeth, ain't nothing like my golden eye in this game. With or without the